how have you been, my friends?
Hi, it's been pretty good. Thank you. And yourself?
I have been very well. And where are you from?
I'm from United States. Where are you from?
I am from Nepal. When did you come in Nepal, and how many days do you stay in our country, Nepal?
I came yesterday and I will stay in Nepal for 2 weeks. And could you recommended place where I must visit?
Oh, you have a limited time to stay in Nepal. Nepal is small country, but we have a lot of beautiful things to visit. And most visited places are Swayambhunath, Pashupatinath, Patan Darbarskar, Bhaktapur, and Bhaktapur within the Kathmandu Valley. And outside the valley, you can go Lumbini, Sagarmatha, Pokhara, and so on. Which place do you want to go?
I want to stay here for 2 days and I will visit top heritage site. And which place do you recommend to visit outside the valley?
In my opinion, you must visit to Pokhara and Annapurna Base Camp according to your time.
I have first priority to Annapurna base camp and I had made a plan for there. And how can I reach this place?
You can reach this place with the help of vehicle or flight from Kathmandu to Pokhara. At Pokhara, you can delight with the beautiful environment of lakeside, Feva Lake, and so on. After that, you can choose the flight or trek. In my opinion, trekking is best.
Thanks a bunch, my friend. I'm glad to follow your instruction. And how can I find guide?
You can contact with the travel agency. If you want, then happy to share.
Of course, please.
Is Here it is. Unfortunately, I never reached at Annapurna Base Camp. Could you share with me your experience after returning from Annapurna Base Camp?
Why not? I will be share my experience with you, and it's great connecting with you.
Nice to meet you. Have a great day, my friend.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.